tired of the same old hairstyle every day? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you easy, elegant, and creative ways to tie and bun your hair that you can do in just a few minutes. Whether you're getting ready for school, work, or a special occasion, these hairstyle hacks will upgrade your look effortlessly. So grab your hairbrush and let's get started.
Thanks for watching. If you found these hair ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hairstyles for more beautiful and easy hairstyles. New videos every week to keep your look fresh and fabulous. See you in the next video.